guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today we are going to be doing a really fun sunset kind of pink and orange eye situation for summer. So I'm really excited about it. I'm using a bunch of palettes like usual, guys. I'm so sorry. I know I keep saying I'm not going to use a bunch of palettes anymore, and then I come back and I'm using a bunch of palettes. It's just who I am, so what do you expect from me? Alright, so I have 3 palettes today. My face makeup is obviously already done. I'm going to focus on the eyes today, but I'm using the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette today. This one with the fun neons. The Per Festival palette, and then my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is my staple in the summer when I want to use color, so it's going to keep popping up, and luckily it's super inexpensive from BH Cosmetics, so you should definitely grab it if you haven't already. Yeah, that's basically it for this intro situation, so let's dive into it. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to start with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette with my yellow shade here, like the sunshiny kind of shade, and a domed fluffy brush. I'm gonna put a white primer on, actually. I am going to be using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, just a little bit on the lids. This isn't Freebase, it's their white one. Just so that since I'm using neon colors, I want them to show up more. So it'll just kind of color block out my lids a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my domed fluffy brush. And it's an IT Cosmetics brush, but I've rubbed the number off, so I don't really remember what it is, but it's dome shaped like this. And I'm gonna dip into that yellow and start blending that out. This look is gonna take a lot of blending, so we're really gonna want a seamless blend here. So just prepare to kind of be sitting here for a while, blending all your colors nicely together. I'm gonna speed this blendy portion up for you so that if you're just watching this, you don't have to sit here while I blend this out for 45 minutes. Okay, so once we have our yellow gone, I'm going to move on to the orange. So I'm going to start with this neon orange from the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. And I'm just going to take it a little bit lower into my crease here and start blending this color into the yellow. And I'm just using that same brush because I want to blend the colors anyways, so I don't care if there's a little bit of yellow left on that blending brush. I mean, I'm literally gonna blend until like my fingers fall off. So. I want to make sure you can still see that yellow around the rim too. Okay. So right now, I'm going to move on to the pink. And I'm using Wild Child from the the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. It's just this very, very bright pink on kind of a flat brush to get as close as I can to my lower lash line, or to my lash line here. And I'm gonna really pack that on, and all of these shades have been matte. And of course, taking that close to my lower lash line as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take the brush that we used the orange and yellow for and dip back into that orange and kind of blend out the edges of the pink. And then I'm going to wipe this brush off just a little bit. So I'm going to go back in with this yellow and kind of just brighten the edges up a little bit. Now we have kind of a brighter pink, orange, yellow shift. And I'm super into that. Okay, so I went ahead and threw lashes on, and they look so pretty. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight because I haven't done that yet. I'm using a BH Cosmetics 140 brush, a tip I picked up from Raw Beauty Christy, and it's the best brush I've ever used for highlights, so 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I'm using my Mary Luminizer. Super pretty. Okay, and then last but not least, we're gonna throw our lipstick on. So I have my tried and true nude pair here, my Sephora cream lip stain in 33 and my Bite Beauty gloss in overline just a little bit, and I'm going to let that dry for a second before I put my gloss on. Okay, so now I'm going to top it with my gloss. Alright guys, and this is the final look. After the fact, I decided to throw on pink on my waterline because I think it looks more complete with the pink on the waterline. And I realized I didn't put any inner corner highlight on, so like what am I even doing? So I'm just going to put some of the highlight shade that I used on my cheeks and pop that in my inner corner. It's like I've never done makeup before. And just a little bit under my brow bone. And then yeah, I used my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Woodstock just on my waterline. So I don't know what I was thinking, but that's what I did. for watching. I do, of course, appreciate every one of you who comes and watches my videos. I upload new videos at least once a week. Sometimes it's a Monday, sometimes it's a Thursday. I'm trying to get back on a better schedule, but honestly, with the baby coming in just a couple weeks, we may get off that schedule too. So I'll try to pre-film some things so that I keep getting stuff up for you guys. In the meantime, let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. And that's pretty much it, guys. I feel like, you know, this is a pretty easy summer look for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you have colors like these kicking around so you don't have to go buy a new palette. But the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette is definitely an awesome staple for bright colors with really awesome pigments. So I would recommend picking that up if you don't have it yet. Be sure to hit subscribe and turn that notification on so that you are notified when my erratic posting schedule and self actually gets a video up. And if you want more content from me, I do post on my blog Monday through Friday, so be sure to check out that at blondeandambitiousblog.com, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!